We do need this, and we need that, and hopefully we are live. Does it say we're live? It says we're live. We got a commercial even and everything. All right, so folks, I'm hoping Clever Like's gonna jump right in here into the chat. Let's see, and I gotta turn down my volume in here. You're in chat? All right, let me. Where do I do this? I gotta. Okay, let's get rid of that. Oh, that's so much weirdness going on there. Let's see what happens when I do this. That should show. Why is that not showing? Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. All right. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna do this. We need. All right. Let me just let Clever Like know through the old text messaging system to jump in. All right. So we ready? We got a couple. We might have a couple people watching. What? I will show you. How's that? Now, what is showing in the stream though? Is it that? Okay, good. So let's see. Clever Like will be here. Hopefully, he'll just jump into the chat. I think that'll be the easiest way for me to communicate with him. Although we could consider bringing him into voice on Discord as well. Let's see if we should do that. We'll figure that out. But anyway, Clever Like is here, ladies and gentlemen. Say hello. And Lil Mart. Lil Mart, is that somebody in here? All right. So let me introduce formally. Another time, maybe we'll do this via Skype, and you'll see Clever Like as well. But listen, so Clever Like is a great friend of mine who has taught me a lot about Minecraft and works with me a lot at our Mindfair events. And he's one of the marketplace providers. You know what the Minecraft marketplace is? So you can go onto the marketplace and find out and find his stuff. Like he has a bunch of skin packs there. He has a couple of games there and stuff and all that. He's a game developer as well. Okay? So yes, we heart Clever Like. Thanks, Lil Mart, for jumping in there and showing Clever Like the love. So anyway, so one of the things that I've been able to do is sit in on Clever Like's workshop on add-ons numerous times. So everything that I know today, or a lot of it, will be from him, except the functions part. I kind of learned that on my own. But anyway, so we're going to jump in here. And we're going to start with looking at what this means with some documents that we're going to need to deal with, all right? Is Tiggy in here as well? That's Tiggy. But look at all your things. You got a first place thing next to it, a crown. What's that all mean?
I don't know. Wait. Founder of a 1-month subscriber and Twitch Prime.
All right. So if you have Twitch Prime and you follow me or something, that's good, or subscribe to me, right? Are you doing that yet? All right, so anyway, I'm going to go into my downloads folder because that's where I put this in originally. I'm going to take out this vanilla behavior pack, and we're going to just put it in documents for now. We're going to put it in my behavior. No, it's probably not in there. It's in here. Documents. I think I have a behavior pack stuff folder. Oh, and here it is anyway. Here's the vanilla behavior pack. So, listen up, folks. Everybody should be looking up here on one of these screens. You should be in Google Docs, which I see that that Tim is. So the behavior pack, anybody know what a behavior pack is or what it allows us to do?
Change the behavior.
Well, what does that mean, Miguel?
Like make them act differently.
Like what? Make what act differently?
Like from the mobs and like the textures.
Well, the textures would probably be in a texture pack, but the mods and all that. What were you gonna say? Somebody was gonna say something about a chicken.
Yeah, the chicken. We made the chicken really big.
Well, you can make the chicken really big. Did we do that in here?
You can make the chicken hostile.
Okay, so we started that a little bit. You could make it hostile. You could make one of our favorites, right? Clever Like is to make the player be able to ride a chicken. So I'm gonna extract this behavior pack, and we're gonna call it. Let's just say, we did a period 6 one before, but we're gonna go a little further with it today. So we're gonna do peer 6 behavior pack, whatever we'll call it that for now. which I probably already called something. Now, here we go. Ready? Rideable. What did I say? Did I not say rideable? Or were you thinking as opposed to R-I-D-A-B-L-E? So we're unzipping the behavior pack right now so that we can modify stuff inside it. We're almost there-ish. You might want to throw in your notes that you can just search for Minecraft add-ons to find the vanilla behavior pack. It's pretty easy to find. Oh, okay, so we're in sync. I gotcha.
Search for what?
All right, for vanilla behavior pack or for Minecraft add-ons. So here we go. Here's our behavior pack, right? So I'm going to open this up, and this has a lot of different things in it. Now, one of the things in here is this manifest.json file. JSON. So I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code. That's what we're going to be using. You might have it on your computer. You might need to download it. So this one doesn't look too complicated. Well, it does, but it doesn't. Or I should say it doesn't look too long. So this is our manifest file. So there's a lot of stuff we could change in here. Like, I'm going to change this to Luke's behavior pack. That's the description, and we'll call it LJ behavior pack.
Yo, LJ Gaming.
LJ Gaming behavior pack. All right, and we're going to change the description here also, let's say, to gaming with LJ. Doesn't really matter. Gaming with, I gotta spell a little better. It doesn't even matter, I don't think, with LJ. Now, see these UUIDs? Anybody ever hear of a UUID or know what it is?
A user ID?
Not close. It's a unique a unique identifier. And see how long this code is for this? You have to change these so that they don't conflict with another one. So that's going to bring me back to the web here, and I'm going to go to look for a UUID generator, and it's going to tell me that I can buy a generator, which we don't want to do, but we do want a UUID generator. I think this is the one I usually use. Nah, not really. Oh, maybe it is. Generate multiple user IDs. I'm going to do just 3 here, and see, so it just gave me these 3. Oh, that's so funny, though, because, tell me, are these the exact same? That's not supposed to happen. We could change that, but there's other UUID generators that I like. Let's see. Maybe I'll look at, why isn't it showing me the one I like?
I think you have to set it to random.
UUID, this is the one I think I want. This is it. So 3, and here we go. So these are, see how these 3, like, long codes are unique to each other? So I'm going to take each one, and I'm going to change, see where I have UUID here? I'm going to change that with the first one, this with the second one, and this, and then the third one we're going to change. Again, I don't know, and Cleverlike might throw us some insight here about this. I don't know if the dependency part is important, or if we could just not even, or we could just delete that. Oh, that's weird too. Look at that. What are the 2? All right, so now we have our UUIDs in here. So that allows this to be identified, you know, as we need it. So I'm just going to close this file because we don't really need it right now, but we do have to save it. So see where I'm hitting save here? Now let's get Cleverlike back up here. And what does he say? Let's see. Only needed to require a resource pack. Can delete it if just a behavior pack. That's what I was hoping. Okay, but I guess no harm to have it in there either, right? Remove lines 18 to 23 and comma on 17 if you want to not have resource pack. Right. Okay. Let's see. Now we're going to go back to our behavior pack stuff here. So now the next thing we're going to do is go to the entities, and we're going to change one of the entities. So let's say we go to, well, we'll start with our fun rideable chicken, okay? Everybody's favorite, a rideable chicken. So I'm going to open this with Visual Studio Code as well. All right, so now this is all the code for Who is that? Is that somebody in here? The with the horrible name. Can you log out with that name? I don't like it so much. Okay, now we're trying to be appropriate for school here. So anyway, so here's the code for the chicken JSON file. These are all things we technically could change. You see all this? You can also add in other behaviors that, let's say another entity has a behavior that the chicken doesn't have, and we want the chicken to be able to have that behavior. We actually could copy and paste, as long as you put it in the right place, a behavior from another entity in here. But we're gonna go with rideable for now. Rideable, okay? Now, what can ride a chicken in the regular game of Minecraft? A zombie. It's funny, it is a baby zombie, yet it only says zombie, but okay. So we're gonna say that a player can ride the chicken, okay? Got it? And while we're at it, let's do something else that we did yesterday. I'm gonna save this, and we're gonna change the behavior also. I'm gonna open another one. We're gonna go to the cat. Well, we did that the other day, right? I'm gonna go to the bat. Is dinner beef here? No. All right. Oh, C-Tech is. Hey, C-Tech. Let's see. Now, the bat. So the bat, there are different things we could do, like, I think it's movement is, yeah, so see how movement here says 0.1? That is the, I think it was movement, that deals with the speed. So we could change this. Now this is, let's see who we're talking about here, because it changes. So we're talking about, sometimes it'll be an adult bat versus a non-adult bat. So Minecraft movement, I think this would cover it. We'll try. Would be, let's say we change this to 1.0. That would be 10 times as fast as the 0.1. Okay? So we're going to do that. And we're going to now have what should be fast bats and rideable chickens at least. Okay? But we're not ready yet. Got it? So now I'm going to save my things to this. Now, here's the important part. See how we have period 6 behavior pack here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have to now zip this file, so I have to send it back to a compressed folder. Okay, so watch this. So it's going to now be called pure6behaviorpack.zip. And we have to change that to be, instead of .zip, we want that to be .mcpack. That way, Minecraft recognizes as a behavior pack. Okay? Now, I want to open this with, here's another thing. I don't know if it'll work in Education Edition. We'll test that out. But I know I want to open it in Minecraft Windows 10, okay? So it's going to show up as one of these. I probably should have named it something different. There we go, though. We got it in there now. Now we're going to create a Minecraft, a new world, let's say. And let's create, it could be a creative world. Doesn't really matter right now. And we are going to not create it yet. We're going to add a behavior pack. So in here, I have my, now here's, oh, this is good. So I have, did we call it pure, oh, LJ, that's the one we want, right? Look at that, LJ. See that? Look at it. LJ, look, that's you. So now we have it activated. So now it says it's missing one or more dependencies. I think that's because of the resource pack thing. So now LJ, the awesome, I get it. All right, so now we're going to create this. And here we go. Tiggy's excited with this dragon and funny looking person with the crown. Who's watching? How many people we have watching now? We have 2. We need more people. We need more people. All right, so now here we go. Well, I don't know. I don't need you. I need like real live people out there on the internet. All right. So let's see. All right. So now, no, I don't mean that in a bad way, but I mean chicken, spawn chicken. Okay. Now here's our chicken, and what am I doing? Hook. No hands. See that, Miguel? You're not even paying attention. Look at this coolness. I'm riding a chicken. You can't ride a chicken. Okay. Now, there I am riding a chicken. Now we're going to also add a bat or a bunch of bats. Okay?
can you ride the bat and like fly?
Well, we probably could make a bat rideable. What do you think? Oh, I gotta get off of the chicken for a
You
minute.
can make it just like really big and then ride it.
Oh, I don't like when I'm in this view. Whoop. Now, oh, so let's see. The bats, see how fast they're going? Look. You see that? People, you watching? I bet you almost can't see it, right? Yeah, you know, that's another thing, Mr. Clever. Like, when I try to make a chicken large and then ride it, it seems like the hit area for the chicken is changed, so it makes it hard to get on to ride that chicken. But especially a bat. Maybe if we made the bat real slow, and then, I don't know. So there we go. So you see what we got so far, folks? Now, likewise, what we could do now is this changes a little bit here. Ready for this? Are you ready for this? So now, let's say we want to make changes to the behavior pack. Rather than going into that file we started originally, if we go into the com.mojang folder and go into the Minecraft worlds, and then I'm thinking it's this first world, see this? And now I go into behavior packs for the world. Look, there it is, folks. So now the behavior pack is in the world. So if I go here now and go to an entity, what do we want to change now, people? What do we want to do with our behavior pack?
Take it, use it.
No, I mean, what do we want to change? What entity, what? Make a dolphin rideable. I've always thought about that. Let's try it. So can anything ride a dolphin currently?
Steve.
Steve can?
I don't know if you can. AJ Lemon Boat can.
Alright, let's see. So dolphin, let's see if rideable is in here. R-I-D-A. No rideable. So this gets tricky, but we're going to try it, right, Clever Like? We're going to give this a good college try. So we're going to open up the chicken, because we know the chicken's rideable. I'm nervous about this. Are you guys nervous? This is going to be cool or not cool.
Whoa.
It'll either be cool or it won't work. So here we go. I am going to, if I understand this correctly, I'm going to copy from here to here, I do believe. See what I'm copying, folks? So here we go. I'm going to copy that. Now we're going to go into dolphin, and let's see where we do this. I'm going to try... Okay, so here's adult. I wonder if it works like that, where it's going to be because it's an adult. Hello. So I'm going to paste that in there, and we're going to hope for the best. And need the seats section too. Where's that? Isn't that seat count that I have here? Or is that something different? Seats somewhere else in it? Alright, well anyway, we'll start with this, but is this right? Otherwise, I feel like I'm missing something because I need a comma here. Back to chicken. Okay, back to chicken, folks. Let's look for, seats position, this here. So I'm guessing I need, okay, so that would have all been in rideable, you're saying. All right, let me just make sure I have all this. Got it. That's interesting because that might have, well, I don't know, we'll see. So go back to the dolphin. I think it's got to go, is it after this? Seats, position, blah, blah, blah. Let's see if that looks right. Let's look back at chicken, folks. Look with me here. I have Minecraft rideable, seat count 1, family type, blah, 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 bracket. Seats, position, bracket. Okay? Does that look right? Clever Like 65 to 73. Did I miss 73?
I think so.
You think so?
Looking good on the Twitch.
What's that?
I think it looks right.
You think it looks right, or am I missing 73? Is that you, Darshan? Alright, we got Darshan in the stream. Oh no, I got it there. Is that hopefully right, or did I miss one? I think we're good. Alright, now folks, who's ready for this? Oh, but what about this one? That doesn't look right. Thinking that. Alright, we're gonna give it a try. Clever Like doesn't have time to play Fortnite with you because he plays Fortnite with me. Alright, good. So now, we're gonna get rid of this for a second. Squads, maybe. Alright.
So let's do squads not right now.
Not right now. We're still doing cool stuff here in Minecraft. So here, so I've got this. Now I believe what I have to do, and creative for sure, Now I went out of the game so I can go back in because I think that'll relaunch this. Now, are we ready? Eunice, this was your idea, right? How cool would it be if we're like riding a dolphin? Yay! All right, now we gotta find water or make water. We can make
it
water.
like a pool so you can control it.
Oh, I see water. I see water. You may. Who's excited to see if this works?
Me.
Me. All right. Let's see. Here we go. We gotta hope that. Let's see. I'm a little nervous. If this works, we win the internet for the day. I think. Okay, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my good. Oh no, not quite. Almost. Oops. Oh, you know what? I can't be. Yeah, that's what the problem might have been.
Yeah, so you need to get the egg. Yeah.
But wait, how about if we do this? Oh, come on! It's not letting us. I'm trying to hop on. Oh wait, let's try again. Wait.
That's it.
Why can't I? Is it because of the where I am trying to? Is it where I have to sit on it or anything? What do you think, Clever? Should we go back and look? Well, actually, we might have also not. You want me to push it in the water? So go in the water, dolphin. Go. Dinner beef. All right. Alright, we're gonna go back and check. Wait, we're going back. Alright, so here we go. So here's our rideable. Now here's the thing too. I'm probably in a weird. I'm in breedable. Does it matter where? Oh no, that's the chicken. Sorry, we gotta open up the. Stop doing whatever that was, please. Alright, here we go. Dolphin rideable. Alright, so we're gonna have Clever Light take a look at this with us. So you guys all take a look too, because you are probably as capable of helping troubleshoot this as any of us. So this is what we have for rideable here, right? And for chicken, this is what we have for rideable here, from 65 to 73. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna copy that again and just replace it for a minute. If you move component section, all right, let's get rid of this then. To components. Let's see if it works. Alright, components. So maybe we put it right here, you say? And turn down the thing that makes my voice go. Now, does this look right, people? Look up here. It doesn't give me errors.
Perfect. Yeah, no errors. I think it's
Try that. We're going to try this, folks. Alright, ready? Dolphin. We want to ride the dolphin. Now, I'm going to quit this game again. Alright, now we're going to go back in. Alright, people. So where did we put it? Where did Clever Lake have us put it? In the components section. Oh, man. Oh, wait, we're still... Oh, come on, dolphin.
Come on, please work.
Why is the dolphin so mean?
Wait, that's a baby. That's a baby.
This one is? I don't think so. That's a baby.
Put the one out of water.
See, that's a... No, oh, come on, go back in. Go in the water. Go in the water.
Hit it.
Go in the water. Uh-oh. All right, so now let's see. What do you think, Clever? Okay, let's listen here. Let's see what Clever Like might think.
Wait, can I try something?
Yeah.
You have to spawn it on like the side wall where the water is, so that it's
Maybe trap it.
You think it has to be in the water?
Get in a pool of water.
Most likely.
Wait, Greenpeace is knocking on your door. Yeah, for sure. So let's see. So you're saying
So, yeah, if you spawn
right
it
here?
Yeah, if you spawn it there, then it's in the water.
Oh wait, was I just? No, I was not on it. But see what I mean? Like, but why would it have to be in the water to?
Well, because I think they're like mainly water.
Yeah, I understand that it would make sense, but no.
Alright.
What if I go in the water with it? I still don't think that's gonna help. But, all right, we are not riding that.
Yeah,
Let's
build
see.
some walls so it doesn't go out.
Yeah.
Or is it just not working?
Well, I don't know. I think it's not working right now, but let's see what else we got here. I wonder if the position, does the position have something to do with it? Because I think that has to do with where on it, like you have to be 0.4 up or something. Alright, why don't we try something else just for kicks? Why don't we just see what happens if we change the size of
You
the...
can change the size of a villager.
Well, we can. Let's change the size of a dolphin. Oh wait, there's a weird bug with entities that dismount a player when they hit water. Oh, that's interesting. So you think maybe it doesn't want to allow us to... makes it hard to create a custom boat entity. That's interesting. So why don't we at least make big dolphins for now so we can see that something's working. Because a lot of times I like to see if it... Oh, that's a chicken. I will keep big chickens too. Big chickens that we won't be able to ride probably. And big dolphins. What else did somebody say they wanted to do? Let's see if scale is in here. Alright, scale for the dolphins. Let's make it 2.0. This is Dolphin 2.0. So we're going to close this. This is just part of this. The reason I'm doing this, folks, anyway, listen up for a second. So the reason I'm trying this other one is sometimes when one thing doesn't work, I kind of want to see that at least the whole thing is otherwise working. So if we get these big dolphins, we'll know that something's working. And those are not big right now either, right? So I'm a little concerned about our code. So maybe, oh, that was baby. Sorry about that. Let's see. Are there? Oh, so in a baby by being that size. Whoop.
Oh my god.
Is that it?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Was that the big? So that's the big baby dolphin. So we did make it work. Okay. So that's another thing to keep in mind, which is interesting because I don't think there was an option for adult dolphin for that. So that's dolphin baby, but see how scale is only for the one? So we might have to, let's see, adult. So we might have to go to baby. Maybe we want to make the scale for a, so here's what we'll try with this. We're going to try to make the dolphin larger for the adult, which we didn't do before. Let's see if that at least works. So adult doesn't, the default is 1.0. Right, okay. So if we do this, dolphin scale for adults, this should work, right? If we make it 3, just to, or 4, we like, that, in theory that should work, right? Alright, now we do want to save the dolphin. Do we want to save the dolphin? You get it? You may. Close bracket. Uh-oh, close bracket. Be careful when you code, people. Let's see, dolphin. Where did I not close the bracket? Adults. Can somebody see where I'm supposed to close this? I think it's... Oh, wait a minute. No, dolphin here. Boom. 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 There we go. Above line... It's actually on line 17, isn't it? In this case... Oh, but now it is. Alright, so here we go again, folks. Ready? Let's see our rather ginormous dolphins. You think they'll work? But the good thing about that is what I did that I like, if it works. Let's see, not really. Well, I just want to see the size of them, because they don't look like they're size 4 right now, do they? Alright, here we go again. Let's see why. Let's see, dolphin. So adults, scale. Am I missing something else? What do you think, Clever? It's weird how when you add something, I mean, sometimes, unless I'm putting it in the wrong, it's in component group, adult, Minecraft experience reward, Minecraft scale. Is there a better place to put it? Oh, line 27. That's an error. So does that mean it wants... Am I missing the other bracket?
Extra comma, he says.
Wait, what? I need an extra comma? No. There's an extra comma, but where? Now it says there's not a comma. Or am I... Remove it.
Yeah, you're good.
We're good now, you think? Alright, let's try it again, folks. See, that's the other thing to watch out for is that what was happening there is it was like it never ended that bit of code, so it kind of messed things up. Hopefully this will work. We watching? And then tomorrow I'll show you the stuff with functions, because that's super cool. Oh boy.
Why is he so big?
Why do you think?
Oh my god!
We made him that way.
Oh,
Oh, wait a minute! I'm riding the dolphin! We are riding the dolphin. I think on that note, what is a pogger? Oh no, no, go in the water. Oh, but it won't let us in the water. Oh wait, we're riding it in the water. Look, Clever Like, we're riding it in the water. I don't think I can steer it though. We need that one out of the way. Look at that, we are riding. Alright, my day has been made. So, I can't even think of anything to top that right now. So I think on that note, we'll stop the stream for today. But tomorrow we'll do, yeah, I hope I don't drown. But let's see what happens if I...
Riding the end dragon.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's swim a little. Let's find another dolphin to ride. Let's find one that's actually swimming a little better.
why are there so many?
Well, that was a... Okay. Let's try to ride one of these. Ready? Oh boy, what happened there? Now it's interesting, it doesn't... Now I'm not able to ride... So maybe, did I have... Oh no, I'm in it. I'm on it. I'm on it. We're riding this dolphin now. No, because I'm riding it. It's not... So the lesson, check your code for errors. You listening, everybody? You can use json linter, whatever that is, to check it. But Visual Studio Code highlights it in red. So we're making progress here.
You're dying.
Oh no, I'm not. All right, folks, that was awesome. Tomorrow we'll look at doing some functions where you could add multiple lines of code.
Thank you, Mr. Isaac.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. No, you know, no. Who do we have to thank? All right, you're gonna get us in a lot of trouble. You're gonna get me in a lot of trouble. All right, folks, thank you so much. Clever, thank you. Dinner Beef, thank you. Everybody else, thank you.